Hello everybody, my name is thattechyguy, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Razer Raptor 27-inch gaming monitor. This guy is a 165Hz gaming monitor. It looks awesome, and there was a deal on Amazon, so I couldn't resist picking it up. It has some awesome built-in cable management. I can't wait to see. The lights are a plus. It looks amazing for $399. There we go, opening it up here, we got our accessory box. We got some instructions here. There's also some stickers and the monitor calibration as well. And we have these special 90-degree cables that you have to use with a display so that way the cable management works. And below that we have some more special cables. It comes with a display port and an HDMI cable along with a USB extension cable and USB-C. And of course the special L-shaped power cable. Kind of a bummer that it has this big brick, but it'll work. You think a monitor of this size they could build the power supply in. Now I gotta have another thing below my desk. Alright, lifting this guy up, it is remarkably well packed. I am not worried at all about it being broken from shipping, even though the box is a little rough. Here we go. Just gotta get this guy off of here. And boom. Let's go ahead and unwrap this real quick. Take off this cover, and voila. Boy. Ooh, some food! Boom. This sticker was insanely hard to peel off. I had to use 2 hands to get it off. It was that sticky. But this was a very important sticker, and you will see why later in the video. We have this special flex here on the monitor stand to let us see all of our awesome cable ports. We're gonna plug in power. I'm gonna do a quick test with just a USB-C cable here. Gonna plug in my MacBook Air, see how it looks. Cables went in super easy. Turned it back over and powering it on for the first time. Oh, the light looks amazing. The display looks great. It's only 1440p, but it still looks awesome. We're checking out the built-in cable management here. You just have to take off the little clip and tuck it in the next one. Go ahead and squeeze it in here, and then we're going to clip it back on like that. We could do this with all the cables. I'll show you that here in a minute. And here you can see it's very important. On the instructions it says to bend the cables up towards the base as you twist it down. This lets the setup be clean. I've seen some complaints on YouTube of it not having any slack. And if it does have slack, then the cables are all seen, but if you follow the instructions this way, it looks awesome and perfect, and you can move it up and down however much you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want a full-on in-depth review, let me know in the comments below. I would be happy to. That Techy guy out.